How to remove the battery tray on a Peugeot 307. First disconnect the battery, then undo the clip on the side of the battery, 10mm bolt, and remove the battery itself. Pull off connectors. Now remove the back of the tray. It's held on by three 13mm bolts. You may need to use a flexi socket to get to the one on the side. Third bolt is on a Torx T30. Lift the back tray out. Take off these three 13mm bolts. Another Torx T30 bolt. There's another bolt hidden here, however you have to go through the wheel well to get to it. Wheel off. Remove the clips on the wheel well liner. To release these, you need to pull the center out with a screwdriver, and don't forget the one under the bumper. Pull the wheel liner down and remove the 13mm bolt that's been exposed. Now you can remove the battery tray.